today's tutorial, we're going super simple and we are doing a makeup look that is all about just going out on a first date. So let's do it. First things first, we have these little hair clips from Kylie Skin. These clips are so easy to use and I love having them on hand to keep my hair out of my face during all of my tutorials. One of my favorite primers is the Putty Primer by Eyes, Lips, and Face. Let's apply this before we put anything else on. I have this brush here from a set that I purchased by Eyes, Lips, and Face Cosmetics. This is technically the angled foundation brush, but it's perfect for applying this putty primer. So we're going to use this to apply it. I'll start by applying one even layer all over my face. Now, this primer has kept the most simple makeup look on as well as the most dramatic glam makeup. This Kylie and Balmain palette literally screams feminine colors. So I'm going to go in and apply this pink shade here called Night Out. I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush from Eyes, Lips, and Face to apply the pink shade all over my lid. I'm going to be very generous with this eyeshadow because it's such a beautiful color and it does have a shimmer built right into it. Now I'm just going to take a pop of pink, this is the shade Attitude, just to apply it right on the inner corner for a little pop. We're already going for a fun pink look, so why not just add this special little pop of color in the corner? My go-to, this is a fresh tube from Honest Beauty, the CCC Clean Corrective Tinted Moisturizer. This is the shade Alabaster. Let's apply it. I'm using a foundation brush from the Sephora collection to apply this all over my face. It applies so smoothly and evenly. Up next, I'm going to use the Brightening Concealer by Rare Beauty. This is seriously, I would confidently say, this concealer brightens my under eye area better than any other concealer I've used. I know, I said it! It's amazing. Personally, I feel that a little bit of this product goes a long way and I do not need to apply that much of it to get a nice, even, bright coverage under my eyes. Like, seriously? This is perfect. I'm applying this product with a flat foundation brush, just nice and simple to paint it on right under my eyes. To set this look, I'm going to use the same setting routine I always do. So I have some setting spray. This one is by Milk Makeup. I have a sponge by Ego Tools and my favorite pink setting powder by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm just going to get started by spraying the setting powder on this beauty sponge here. Next up, I'll dip the sponge generously into the setting powder. I will apply extra underneath my eyes. So while that is baking and setting, I'm going to do my brows. So first up, I'm going to brush them into place with a brow gel. This is by Milk Makeup. It's the Kush Fiber Brow. I love using this brow gel when I'm going for more of a natural finish because it does not overdo the brows at all. Next up, I'm going to fill in the gaps with this brow pencil by Eyes, Lips, and Face. This brow product is great because first of all, it was only $3. Second of all, it's absolutely buildable, so you can go for a simple or more dramatic brow. Now I'm just going to brush off the excess powder. It is time for Berry Cheeks with Jibs Beauty. This is the first time I'm using this. Never been used. Let's do it. I can't decide how I want to apply this. I think I'm going on the brush first and we're going to see how that comes out. I'm obsessed. Alright, I'm going to use a different brush to blend it in. I am so excited for this color. Dibs Beauty has quickly become one of my favorite beauty brands. Their products are so blendable and easy to use. It's so pretty. I will admit that this is way more of a dramatic cheek than I initially planned on doing, but I do not have any regrets whatsoever. Next up is the Dibs Contour. This is a different shade. This is the duo named Starlit. I'm just going to apply this contour in the typical places I would always apply it, and then I will just blend it in. I'm going to blend it with this brush by Eyes, Lips, and Face. You'll see in a few seconds that I'm going to stop halfway through, so that way you can see the difference on the side where I've blended it compared to not. I personally love how well this blends. Let me do this here. What could you not love about this contour? This is the Act Natural Mascara by ColourPop in the shade Brown. I've been debating on whether I'm going to use black or brown mascara today, and the brown has won. I love using brown mascara whenever I'm going for more of a subtle look because it defines the eyelashes just enough. I'm going to show you one of my favorite pink lip combos. I'll be using Kylie Cosmetics as well as Jason Wu Beauty. Let's do it. The lip pencil is here. This is Posy K. I've used so much of it. I'm starting to get to the end. Or putting on a really nice thick coat if you haven't noticed. I have to say that it's been very difficult for me to find a lip liner brand that I like more than Kylie Cosmetics. These liners have been fabulous and are so long lasting. This shade is beautiful. This is the color Pink Nude. It's by Jason Wu. This line of Honey Fluff lip products has seriously become one of my favorite lip products. It feels almost weightless on my lips, and it does come in many different shades. I am obsessed with this combo, seriously. That's everything. Let's take my hair out of these clips. And here we have it, a light pink makeup for a simple night out or first date.